All right, good morning, everybody. Thanks for coming back to the channel. This is Steve and Brenda, the outdoor couple, and today we're back on Berryessa. We're trolling for kings, kokanee, and rainbow trout. The kings have been elusive, but we have managed to catch a couple, and one was really good, about 22 inches on our last trip. On this trip, we're hoping to catch something in the pounds. It hadn't happened yet, and we're looking forward to doing that. The kokanee have started biting. Last time I was here, which was only last Friday, we ended up catching 3 kokanee and of course limits of trout. And today we're looking to duplicate that, maybe go home with some limits of kokanee. Hopefully the bite's stronger today.
We brought the net.
We brought the net. We're not going to be flipping fish in the boat, which is good. And then anyway, so this is it. The conditions today is overcast. We had a little sprinkles of rain, which was no big deal, but it is overcast. I've got one downrigger down at 35 feet, the other one's down at 40, and we're running Dodgers and a hoochie behind that, and the hoochie has like a little blade in front of it, so that's been very effective for us. Anyway, I'm glad you're joining us today, so stick around. The action might be intense. Who knows? All right, you want to say anything to him?
Oh, here we go. Yeah, there's one other boat, so there's 2 of us out here.
It's early. It's only like 7:30 in the morning, and anyway, we thought we'd come to where we think the kokanee are first, and then we always know where the trout are. So at least we have lucked out. Who knows what will happen today? Anyway, thanks for joining us, and we'll see you in a few minutes.
See you in a few.
Fish, the sun's out. It's time to bite. Yeah, fine fish. Okay. Yeah, we want to pull that rope back. All right, we just jumped locations, so we came down towards Puda Creek, and we're basically looking for birds. We found about 25 birds just back here a little ways, and we're going to troll down in this area until we start seeing more birds. You know, the birds, that's where the bait is. Where the bait is, the fish are, and that's my philosophy. But
Nothing's happened yet.
Finding the birds right now is difficult. I didn't bring my binoculars, and you know, that makes it hard. I don't see anything out here in front of us. Can you peel your eyes back and see if you can see some birds up here? They're hard to see with this light.
Yeah.
Definitely fish signals on the graph. Lift it out, lift it up, lift it up. Oh, you got a fish on. You got a fish on right there. You got him on?
Yeah.
Well, real slow, don't go crazy. That fish hit as soon as you touched your rod.
Yeah.
All right, well this is, yeah, there you go. Broke the ice, Brenda broke the ice.
That's a rainbow.
So it's a nice fish. Now lift your rod, just drag him over here. No, not too close.
I didn't do that.
All right. Drag him over here.
There you go.
All right. You know what happens is the head of this net is turning. Go ahead and set it down. That fish hit as soon as you touched your rod.
There you go.
Nice trout. Whoa, come on, dude. Well, we know green's working. Sit over there for a second. Do I can get to this camera? Oh, shit. You're slippery. The ice has been broken. The skunk is out of the boat. The fish is on my chair. What a mess. That's not a bad rainbow. So, Brenda's on the board. Okay.
Okay. Oh, shit.
I know. When it's slow, it sucks.
Just fall asleep.
Well, it's nice that we can be out here. The pink hasn't been producing. So, and quite honestly, the green hasn't been off the hook either. But that's 3 bites to none. So.
You got a fish on?
What? Go ahead. Take your time because I can't get to it for a minute. Still on there?
Yeah.
All right. Does it feel like a big fish?
Yeah.
It does, huh?
Here, you want to bring the ball up?
Well, let me over there.
And then here.
You want me to finish it? You finish it.
Okay. Jesus Christ, how long is this out? Here, comes. Here it comes. Get the net.
All right, all right.
Yeah, I think it's a little big.
He's fighting like a salmon.
Oh, shit. Jeez.
That's a good one.
It may have, yeah, this is big. It may have pulled off some line before I saw it.
It must have.
Jeez.
Here, hold on. Let's do this. Hold on, he's pulling line. Let me feel him. Oh yeah, you got a big fish. When you hear that, stop reeling. Then you pump your rod and reel down. All right. Yeah, you got a salmon on. He's still pulling line. See if he's pulling line.
A little bit.
All right, he's coming closer. He's just staying deep.
Yeah.
There he is. Oh, it's a nice big fucking fish.
There it is.
Yeah,
oh my God.
It's a bass. It's a nice bass. Nice smallmouth. Woo!
It's huge.
Keep him over there
For
if you can.
smallmouth. Oh,
You can reel him in. It's a big smallie.
all right. Come on. Here he comes.
Yeah, keep reel
Oh, he's diving.
reel down and then pump up. Don't reel when you pump up. Yeah, he's a good sized fish. He comes up on his side, then you can pull him over.
All right, here he comes.
All right, he has to come up.
Shoot, I'm trying to keep him out of the motor.
It's okay.
Oh, I can't go up any higher. The top's in the way.
Oh, come on, fish. Come on, bring him up. Lift the rod tip up. Come on, lift the rod tip up.
I'm running into the top.
You're not running into anything.
I was. God, you just don't.
All right, now let's just lift your rod. There he is. There he is. Nice. Smallmouth.
Jeez, that's huge.
Yeah, that's a good one. You want to get on your, Oh, that's a beautiful
Where are
beautiful smallmouth. That, you know what? You'd be so happy to catch this if you're bass fishing.
we? Yeah.
There it is. Nice smallmouth. I guarantee you that fish is 18 inches.
Well, that's what
I don't want to scale him and stuff. He just got a long fight. There you go. Nice smallmouth. We're gonna let him go now. There you go, buddy. And swim. There he goes. Trout tend to come to the surface, right? Salmon, the big salmon, could stay down. But they'll come up too. There you see a big silver flash. I got it.
Are you gonna do it now?
Yeah.
You okay?
He's not on there. Unless he's swimming towards the boat. Oh yeah, he is. Wow, this is another heavy fish. Probably another bass. Now it's coming up now. All right, we're here. You got the net?
You flip it in?
I don't know how big it is. No.
Huh?
No, let's net him. Let's go right here. Get it out. Get it out. Get it out. All right, let's just wait for it. You gotta come. Oh, it's another trout.
Uh-oh.
All right, hold on. Hold on, I'll bring it right in there. There we go. Is it a kokanee or a trout? That's a trout. Okay. I think I figured this out. Go ahead.
What, green?
Well, no. I've been spraying these with the last two casts. The last two.
Oh, no wonder the bass was on.
That camera still on? Want to put that camera on?
Now it is.
No, it's okay. It's okay.
Oh, where is it?
All right, number 2 in the box. That's amazing. Yeah, but I think I figured something out.
Okay. Fish on.
All right, hold on. Take the wheel. Oh, Jesus. I don't know where this... Oh, this is a heavy fish. Oh, my God. There it is. Came to the surface already. I bet you it's a salmon. Slow our speed down a little bit. I think this is a candy. I could be wrong. Yeah, it's heavy. Why am I catching the damn bass? Look at that rip line on. That's a salmon. That's not a bass. I got soft silver out here. Don't. This fish ain't ready to come in. A nice salmon. Look at that. Nice king. I don't want to lose this fish.
Oh, wow.
Yeah. Wow, if we land this, we've hit the grand slam. It's okay, I'm going to bring them to you. It's just not ready to come in yet.
Look at that color. Wow.
Pretty.
Wow.
Scoop him, scoop him. Oh, come on, girl, scoop him. He's laying up there. Scoop that, girl.
It's
Nice.
twisting.
All right,
That's
close the
heavy.
net.
That's heavy.
Close the net. You gotta push on the button, baby.
You've got the.
You have the
Look
button.
at this. It's all twisted.
I know,
That's
it's
why.
twisted up. Just push on the button.
There we go.
That is that's actually a trout. He's not a king.
You got the net?
I'm getting the fish. That is it looks like a steelhead. Wow. Oh man, the teeth on that guy. There you go. That's a rainbow trout. He looks like a steelhead to me. Isn't that beautiful? That's 20 inches if it's an inch. So there you go. We caught 2 limits of trout. We have 9 really good smokers. We have that one, just, I don't know, I think it's a steelhead, to be honest with you. Just a big, big trout, 22 inches that we measured out. We have 1 big crappie. We also caught 6 smallmouth bass and a Sacramento pike that we fed to the eagles. The fishing started out really slow, right?
Yeah, I was dozing off.
Yeah, we thought maybe this is going to be a day that we're gonna get skunked and we're not going to be able to
switched up the lure,
even film this thing. And fact of the matter is, Brenda caught the first fish, and then she caught another one, and we hit a patch of fish that everything was feeding at 40 feet. It was crazy. So we're going to take it in now, go home, clean some fish, say hello to Stella, gas up the boat, and all that stuff. And when we come back out, we're going to invite you along. So thanks for watching. Thanks for visiting our channel today. I hope you enjoyed it. This is Steve and Brenda saying...
I know.
Steve and Brenda saying...
On to the next adventure.
No, it's actually, we'll see you on the next adventure. She has to practice our tagline. Go ahead, do it one more time.
See you on the next adventure.
All right, thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you. Bye-bye.